Hello everyone, welcome back and thanks for joining me for the June unboxing video. This month's box is the texture box. So everything in this box is really monochrome, black and white, all about the different textures. So first we have the new Express Gel from Cristrio. This is similar to the buttercream as far as feel goes. Same kind of idea with how you can apply without it moving anywhere. So it's really great for detail work, line work. It's super heavily pigmented. You can also use it for full color as well. And we have the What's Up stamping polish. Depending on your box, you either got black or white polish. This is the new stamping polish that we brought in a few months ago. Again, really heavily pigmented, very comparable to the Conad polish, which we no longer can get here. This is the replacement for it, and we really love it a lot. Then we have the Joya Mia Jalaxia Gel. This is it's like an effect gel almost. You could use it over top of a clear. You can use it over top of black, will give it the most pop, but you can put it over top of literally any color. Again, assorted colors just depending on what box you got this month. We have the Matrix Gel, also known as Spider Gel from Cristrio. We gave everybody a white one of these guys. I'll show you how to use it, but if you haven't seen Spider Gel before, this stuff is pretty cool. There's some really awesome techniques you can get with this guy. Then we have the Nail Basics build. This is the thickest of all of our builder gels. It's really great for sculpting new nails, which a lot of, well, pretty much everyone is going to be doing a lot of right away here. And also really good for textured things, like stuff like the unicorn nails and seashell nails and stuff like that. The build is a really great option for those kind of art ideas. We have a little 4-pack of striping tape. There is black, white, gold, and silver in there. We have the Light Elegance Stripey Brush. This is my personal favorite striper. It's amazing for doing line work, especially those really long like triangles and things like that. It's really, really easy to get long, clean lines with this guy. And then we included a Fluff Brush. These brushes are awesome for applying glitter and then dry brushing. So you can just pour glitter right onto the nail, dry brush it with one of these guys. Same with pigments, good for applying pigments, or if you do a chrome, it's nice to clean up around the cuticles as well with these guys. And then last but not least, we have the mini texture plates from Uber Chic. Again, just depending on what box you get, you'll either get number 1, 2, or 3. But they all just have different textures on them. Again, playing into the theme of the texture box.